All right, so this video has kind of been a long time coming. I keep getting blown up about the whole update and people's glasses being disabled, and uh, I've been nonstop trying to come up with a solution to, well, it's twofold: to find a new method uh, going forward, which I have, and a workaround for ones that have already been disabled. Um, I cannot take credit for this. So info was passed on to me from someone else. I'm not gonna get into that. Um, and honestly, I probably shouldn't even make this video. I just feel like, I don't know, this is how kind of all this shit started. But anyway, whatever. So if your glasses, let me backtrack. All of mine are still fine. I have a few pair. They're all fine. Now, why are they fine? I don't know. I don't know if it's because, I don't think it's because I have auto updates turned off on the glasses themselves. I know other people that are still on 126 and theirs were disabled. I don't think it's that. Um, my Meta app, I keep all my apps to not auto update also. It I'm leaning toward that being why mine haven't been bricked yet. Regardless, I've been going crazy trying to think of a way, to do this, and I feel like I was close to figuring it out, but someone gave me the answer. Full credit to them. I don't remember the guy's page. I'll link it in the description. But okay, so it's annoying, but at least it works. The workaround is what you need to do. Again, mine work. I just put these just so you're not staring at whatever the fuck. But the workaround, what you got to do is, if your glasses aren't working, factory reset your glasses. Do not connect back to them. So you factory reset it. There's a couple different ways to do that. You can do it through the Meta app, or on a bunch of them, the normal Ray Bans, the Oakleys. Some of them are a little bit different, but for the most part, what you'll do is close the right arm, hit the capture button 5 times. The light will turn orange. Hold the capture button. It'll alternate orange and white. Just let it sit. Eventually, they'll reboot. It'll go into pairing mode. The light will flash blue. When it flashes blue, they're not paired to any device. Like no phone, no app. They're kind of just out there, you know. So then what you do is, while it's in pairing mode, then you're able to take videos and pictures. It works fine. Everything is fine. They're just not paired to your phone. Um, I think there's something between the glasses, the handshake between the glasses and the app. When that happens, that's what's shutting them down. When these are unpaired and they don't communicate with the app, if it doesn't communicate with the app, they don't communicate with the internet. They're their own thing. So again, when it's in pairing mode, flashing blue, then apparently, again, I was just told this. All of mine work, so I can't test it. Before I post this video, I'll verify with other people who theirs don't work. If it doesn't work for them, you'll never see this video. If I'm posting it, it works. So anyway, while it's in pairing mode, take your videos, take your pictures, whatever. When you do that, it still saves it to the glasses. Then, since you factory reset them, what you'll need to do, you usually want to do it anyway if you ever factory reset it, go into your Bluetooth settings of your phone. Forget the glasses. It'll be under your connections, Bluetooth. It'll, Ray-Ban or Oakley, whatever you have. Forget them. Go into the Meta app, repair it, hit the little plus sign, add the glasses, blah, blah, blah. They'll connect. Then the videos that are on the glasses will auto import to the app. So you have your videos, you have your pictures. But then once it's connected to the app, so I'm told as of now, is you won't be able to take videos again. So then anytime you want to use it and be able to get the content off of the glasses, that's what you would need to do. You would have to factory reset it every time as of now. So that's the only workaround that I've heard so far, and trust me, I've been digging. This is only for ones that have already been disabled. Going forward, like I said, I have another method that so far seems to be working. I've done it on a couple, and I'm just waiting. I'm going to give it time, to hear back from those people and see if those stay fine. So anyway, I mean, I've been waiting to put this video out, like any kind of update, until I knew something. I didn't know anything until literally 10 minutes ago. And then I said, all right, let me just make a quick video just to put it out there. And yeah. So like I said, I'm going to hold off on posting this until I can verify. And then as soon as I do, yeah, try it. And at least that's a temporary workaround. I don't think, like, I almost don't want to post this video because I'm a nobody, but I just don't want Meta to get wind of it, because that's how all this started from the beginning. But at the end of the day, it pisses me off more that we own these glasses. They're our property, and a company bricked them. Like, they bricked your own property. That's bullshit. So, it's kind of where we are. Anyway, have a good day.